Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to be looking at the I button during playback functionality that's related to when you're playing back movies or videos. So as I've explained during the previous video, which was focused on the capability when you're playing back still images, during playback of movies and stills, the I button brings up a menu in the center of the LCD or EVF, which has options that relate to the context and specifically whether you're viewing and playing back still images or movies. In this video, we're going to look at the functionality and the options that come up when you're specifically playing back movies or videos. So some of the options that come up are relatively similar to when you're playing back still images, but some of them are specific to movies or videos. So let's start by looking at them. The first one is rating, and again, like with still images, you can choose to rate by numbers of stars each of your images. This can be quite useful in the field because it can help you very quickly rate your images before you get back for post-processing. The next option, select or deselect whether you send the movie to a PC or through the WT wireless transmitter, is slightly different from stills, because whereas with still images you can send it to a smart device, you don't have that functionality for movies, and therefore if you haven't got a connection to a PC or a wireless transmitter attached, you won't see that option in the menus. If we move down to volume control, you can adjust the playback volume of the soundtrack of the movie you're watching. You can also trim a movie in camera, and this can be quite useful if you're perhaps going to be transferring a movie to a smart device to edit it on the go, and you don't want to have to upload a massive file. You only want a few seconds of a particular image. So you can trim using this functionality, and it will give you the option of saving the trimmed movie into a new file or overwriting the current one. The next option, choose folder, is choosing the folder you want to play back from, so very similar to still images again. And then you've got protect and unprotect all. Protect, you can protect individual videos so that you can't then delete them or overwrite them, and unprotect all allows you to unprotect all of the videos or movies in the current playback folder. Now there are a couple of options which are only available when you're playing a movie but you've paused it. So when you pause it, you get a couple of extra options. The first one is choose start end point, and that allows you to, in collaboration with the trim movie functionality, to choose the start and end point for a trim. And the second option is save current frame. So you can save the frame you've paused on as a JPEG still image, which can be quite useful if you're looking to create a thumbnail or an image from a movie. So it can be quite useful at times. So I hope those of you who are using your Z series cameras for movies as well as still images found this video useful. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and you'll be notified of future videos, and I look forward to seeing you on a future video.